Why hello there, again. Right, I'm gonna be for real. My name's actually Alex, not Chris. Chris, just, my name's not Chris. Okay, being honest, but last video I kind of talked really weird, and I'm in the room again by myself, talking to myself again. I have 1 subscriber, need more subscribes. It's not happened to me. I feel pretty unpopular right now. I have quite a few friends on Facebook, but you know. Yeah, I'm gonna do one on food. I don't know why. You know, it's random. So why not talk about food? So yeah, I had 4 bags of salt and vinegar crisps today. I don't even have one, but you know, it's okay for that. Yeah, I don't have a script. I'm just coming up to the top of my head. I was originally gonna do one on drinking, but then I realised drinking's bad, really bad. So yeah, so I'll talk about food and how amazing it is. I want to let you know that nobody out there is single. They always have food. Food is there for you, for the hard times and the good times. Okay, this is a bad song to play while I'm talking about food, because I wasn't planning to talk about drinking. My teeth are so white, I have no idea why. Please think my teeth look white. They're actually like yellow. Well, not actually, well, they're close to it. I'll try. So yeah, I'm gonna talk about food and how amazing food is. I've tried to make this video fairly short. It's already 2 minutes into it. Should make it about 4 because this is a really bad idea. I'm actually really tired. It's actually 12 o'clock. I'm actually pretty tired. Saturday's tomorrow. Nothing planned. My life sucks. Pitch. This bit of Nutella. Listen to this. Last video I had Eminem on. Don't listen to Eminem. Not that you're trying to. Okay, food. Yeah. Yeah, I don't really know what to talk about. Food. Yeah, food's really boring. Actually, for dinner I had a pizza to myself with chips. Actually pretty fat. Yeah, and this is my pajamas. It's just, yeah, no. I don't really bother with football, to be honest. It's not my thing. Bright colours is my thing. Yeah, my hair's really fucked up because, well, actually, so look, no, look pretty. Hello, who cares? Oh god, I feel so tired. I don't know if I can do this anymore. Oh crap, only a couple seconds. God! If you subscribe, send me a message or something, or whatever you do on YouTube. I don't know what you do. But send me and tell me to talk about anything and I'll make it funny. This video is pretty boring, I know. I'm pretty bored and tired. I feel like I'm about to die. Okay. Yeah, I've got 14 seconds to talk about anything. Yeah, so just, yeah. Sorry, that was not funny at all.